Cougar-FX-System MT4 is a swing/scalping forex trading system. It is a very simple forex trading system and it can be used by both beginner as well as expert traders. Cougar-FX-System can be used independently as well as combined with other filtering tools. Cougar-FX-System generates a trading signal on the main chart window, so you can use other filtration tools like MACD histogram in the system window for the filtration purpose. When you download this system, you have 3 template options. You can choose among aggressive, standard, and safe strategies. The indicator demonstrated here is a standard version. There are 2 indicators in this system. One is the main signal generator indicator, which is the arrows you see on the main chart. And on the top left, you will see a box containing few details of the currency pairs you are trading. Cougar-FX-System analogy. Cougar-FX-System has arrows as its main signal generating indicator. There are blue and red arrows. Blue arrows indicate buying signal while red arrows indicate selling. Cougar-FX indicator is a non-repaint trading algorithm designed for making maximum profit from minor and major trends. Developers claim Cougar-FX can make amazingly accurate market predictions by constantly auto-analyzing every price movement, trading patterns, and with the help of complicated trading algorithms based on the great experience of their development team. It catches very fast and profitable price movements and gives you easy buy/sell signals. Every trading signal is very carefully verified by the system to produce only the highest probability trades. Cougar-FX is the latest, fully professional software for speculation on currencies, binary options, commodities, shares of companies or other instruments available on the MT4 platform. The method has been created based on 8 years of experience on the currency market. You will not find any popular speculation elements like Elliott waves, harmonic patterns or other technical analysis components here. We extracted what is important from the market, so you can easily and efficiently follow the price and finally start earning money as a trader. The Cougar Forex indicator for MetaTrader 4 takes advantage of rapid changes in short-term trends and plots the accompanying buy/sell arrows on the chart. The indicator works the best for scalpers and day traders when combined with a longer-term moving average. The Cougar-FX indicator is beginner-friendly and does not repaint its signals. After you download it and install the indicator on the MT4 trading platform, it should look like the image as shown below. Key points: good for scalping, good for day trading, does not repaint, well worth adding to your indicator collection. This indicator can work together with any existing trading strategy or system. Cougar-FX is a trading system trend following based on 2 trend indicators. This system is simple because it is based on the visual impact of the blue and red background. Characteristics of the Cougar-FX trading system: type trend following, day trading and swing trading, style time frame 30 minutes or higher. Terminal MetaTrader 4 profitability, high trading time around the clock, avoid a trading at news release time. Trading rules. System overview of the system consists of 2 conservative and aggressive templates. Buy arrow with blue background, sell arrow with red background. When background are blue, take only buy trade. When background are red, take only sell trade. How install Cougar-FX download indicator MQ4 in RAR file. Extract the download file. Go to File menu of the MetaTrader 4 in the upper left-hand corner and click Open Data Folder. Open the folder called MQL4. Open the folder called Indicators. Copy and paste the downloaded file into the indicator folder. Restart your MetaTrader 4 in the pictures. Cougar-FX examples of trades. 3 different templates provided by Cougar-FX system are for 3 different risk levels. At safe mode, is the safest one. Designed for traders who likes a conservative approach to trading and a small number but highly effective signals. The risk is small, entries are a bit slower but they are more filtered than other signals. At standard mode, is the most balanced template. Risk is higher, entries are faster than the previous template, but still at a safe/medium risk level. This mode is ideal for typical day trading. 8 aggressive mode, is the most aggressive template. It provides faster signals with increased risk. Pick this one only if you are an experienced trader, or when you have spent sufficient time with the trading system. Cougar-FX free forex indicator system can give you trading signals you can take as they are or add your additional chart analysis to filter the signals further, which is recommended. While traders of all experience levels can use this system, it can be beneficial to practice trading on an MT4 demo account until you become consistent and confident enough to go live. The Cougar-FX can be used on any forex currency pair and other assets such as stocks, commodities, cryptos, precious metals, oil, gas, etc. You can also use it on any time frame that suits you best, from the 1 minute through to the 1 month charts. Main features: 100% non-repaint. The indices have been written by the best programmers, which guarantees they are completely free of the repaint phenomenon. Built-in alerts. The system has built-in alerts that will notify you about the signal. Both easy to use and very effective. Blue background, we consider only buy signals. Red background, we take interest only in sell signals. Full versatility. The method can be used on every time interval and every instrument available on the MT4 platform. Adjust the trading mode to your personality and start catching pips wherever you like. Completely stress-free trading. Cougar FX entails fully non-discretionary signals. No more analyzing a dozen indices. The only thing you have